Yes, I would like to speak on the time element that we're working with on April 23rd, 2010, and also the DVDs that we're intending to build and make this year public, and that is dealing with the 28 amino acids in the homes that I have designed, and also the ecology. It's a small portion that we're intending to do, but you understand, I'll just mention a few at this moment. And I would like to mention more on the homes, how beneficial it is to man. In the beginning, this is at a certain altitude that we're building these here houses because the prophecy shows us something, so I'm working with prophecy and designing these here things so that it will be more beneficial for man, for longevity on the medicines, and also the around 30% oxygen level, which will cure most of the diseases that's airborne, and also the magnetic field and the lights that has a light frequency that actually walking under and cure many diseases just walking under this here light that I bounce off of 1/4 of a mile into my building to cure mankind. And also the foods, is 53 trace minerals into the foods we eat, grown in this system. The 53 trace minerals compared to what we're eating is from 3 to 7 trace minerals, which will counteract most diseases. Just eating the food healthy without no smog, we cut out it's got its own environment, and it's phenomenal. But what happens, because the increase of oxygen into this building will actually make you feel happy, like intoxicated, and there's no stress. Stress is about 75% derivative from stress to diseases. So we cut this completely out. Within 15 minutes, all the stress will leave you within the OPEC of this building. And your thinking is different when you're happy. So this is counteracting everything we're living in today. We look at the TV and it brings you stress immediately. You don't have these things involved in this building. I believe the longevity is in this building will be more than you can imagine. And we'll bring this year up more in detail on our DVDs so that we can all understand this here. It's hidden too long. It should have been here a long time ago. Because the longer we can live, the more we can introduce to our children. If you don't have the sense to do it, you cannot introduce anything to your children. So this is the health benefits that we're looking at. We have our own system that generates the energy to create light. We also have the pristine quality water that goes into these buildings. It's all automatic. We went into geothermal for the heating system of the earth so that we can live in harmony without smoke, polluted atmosphere. Even if there was a nuclear disaster, we would not suffer the consequences. It can withstand an earthquake, winds up to 600 miles per hour, fall out into the atmosphere, you're completely safe. The only thing we'd have to worry about is volcano, and we got that covered too because I took off a certain film of dots that heated up on Earth, all over the Earth, not just North America. And this year is so beneficial for mankind that we will have safety for our children and children to come.